The digital solution architect is the person who organizes the development effort. They are responsible for the vision that underlies the solution and the execution of that vision into the solution. A digital solution architect covers many areas of an organization's business component to create a solution to a specific need. As a digital solution architect, I am responsible for identifying and designing solutions to meet the IT needs of a specific business problem. I am concerned about the technical decisions being made regarding the solution and how they impact the business outcomes. Most of my focus tends to be on weeding out and addressing the non-functional aspects of the solution, or identifying requirements that require some big choices to be made about the technology being used, otherwise known as architecturally significant requirements. Throughout a project, I am making choices or providing recommendations that impact the selection and use of technology, such as should we build or buy a solution? What technology platform should we use? How will the solution scale to meet expected user demand? How should the solution components be deployed? And how will the solution integrate with other systems we have? I define and establish the solution architecture, starting from an initial conceptual vision and evolving into a more concrete software architecture specification. I find that I spend most of the time providing technical leadership. That is, providing guidance to the various stakeholders about issues relating to the solution being implemented. With over 5,000 success stories and 30 or more new roles secured each month, our candidates earn as high as £850 a day as digital experts using our innovative eWork Experience platform.